Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to view your data in YouTube on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open YouTube on your PC and ensure you're signed in to your account. Step 2. Locate and click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the page. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Your Data in YouTube. This will take you to a new page where you can access and manage your YouTube activity. Here, you have the option to browse or delete your YouTube activity, allowing you to take control of your data and privacy. By following these simple steps, you can easily view and manage your data in YouTube on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Remember, it's important to be aware of and have control over your data when using YouTube. Take a few moments to explore and manage your activity for a better YouTube experience. Until next time, happy browsing and take care.